Severe ice storm in Texas, USA. September 24, 2023. A severe thunderstorm with baseball-sized hail hit parts of central Texas on Sunday night, causing major damage. The hardest-hit areas appeared to be in Williamson County, with several reports of windshields being destroyed in Georgetown and Round Rock. Round Rock police tell CBS Austin there is significant property damage and isolated power outages in the city. State Representative Caroline Harris posted on X, formerly Twitter, heavy hail damage to vehicles at Round Rock Kia on I-35. CBS Austin meteorologist Avery Tomasco also reported 5-inch hail in North Austin. And the storm dropped significant hail along I-35 in both the Hancock and Mueller area as it moved toward downtown Austin. Storm and flooding in Craiova, Dolj, Romania. September 24, 2023. Heavy rain accompanied by strong winds and lightning caused serious damage in Craiova, Dolj District on Sunday evening. A number of roads were flooded and looked like lakes. Several fallen trees and roof debris were scattered due to strong winds in the 1 mi area and the St Dumitru Cathedral area. Additionally, several tents placed in the open field were torn apart by the strong wind and collapsed to the ground. Craiova residents received several code red severe weather warning messages until 10:30 p.m. The code red meteorological warning is strong winds and hail, heavy rain that will accumulate more than 40 to 50 L/m2. This warning applies to Georgetown County, including Tursany, Plopsaru, Santarani, Turberia, Ananawasa, Cruzet, Borascu, Bolbosi, Brainastai, Caperni, and Lonestai. For the Dolj District, including Filiasi, Ergatoa, Braidestai, Molinastai, Bralasita, Katafeni din das Cernatestai, Skiistai, Sapat, Grasistai, Brabova, Katafni din Fat Sikistapadur, Sekugovisu, and Botosastai. Meanwhile, Mihidindi Regency includes Strahaya, Korkova, Buduliestai, Bukulsdom Brava, Grozistai, Resnita Matru Gresi, and Stangesau.